I'm currently in Seoul right now, staying with some friends. I'm in Seoul because me and my sister were doing this video job for the Kiwi Chamber. It was like a wine festival and we were like recording video and stuff. But we're staying with some friends and our friends invited us to dinner at this sort of like really fancy Korean barbecue, like the fanciest Korean barbecue. I've heard about this place because I saw a video by Mark Wiens. I've been wanting to go to this place for the longest time, but I heard it's really, really difficult to get a booking, but somehow we managed to get one. Sorry about the car noise, it's pretty loud out here. I'm starting this a little bit late, but we should be heading there soon. And it's gonna be sort of like a Korean Hanu beef omakase. And if you don't know what Korean Hanu beef is, it's like the best beef you can get in Korea. It's like a special Korean cow, and the beef that comes from it is honestly amazing. But the thing is, you cannot get it outside of Korea because there's not even enough supply. This is our friend.
No!
This is the friend I was talking about. She got me a bit, but before I so rudely interrupted, Hanu beef is a special Korean beef that it's so rare that there's not even enough supply for Korea, which is why you never see it outside of Korea. And even Koreans don't eat it that often. Usually it's like Australian beer. But this place we're going to is going to be sort of like top grade Korean Hanu beef cooked for us in like omakase style. So hopefully it will be amazing. And if it's not, you'll know.
Dedication to his product. You're right. Most people be easier to.
Like
물 kimchi. Seaweed. Don't know what that is.
I think it's like like the acorn? Yeah. They should just say they don't have it in stock.
Yeah, don't be like we have it.
What did you want?
What's your name?
Johnny.
Oh, 반갑습니다.
No, right. This is bresaola,
Yeah.
Italian style ham, made with wine, salt, and several herbs.
대박.
Aged about 60 days and sliced with potato puree.
Yep. Okay.
Eat like this.
Okay.
On the left.
Yep.
Brioche bun with sugi egg yolk, and beef tartare with soy sauce, pear, and chive.
You're a chonje.
And try it, all of this in one bite.
One bite. That's not a problem.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can taste the wine.
Yeah.
It's like the first thing you get is the wine. Wine gravy.
Yeah.
That's good.
The first this is tenderloin.
Yeah.
This is sirloin. And this is a special part of tenderloin. We call this tenderloin chain because this looks like chain.
Yeah.
So we call this, and this is a little bit chewy. Okay.
Usually your requires like to be with your parents. It's like pulls the other way around. He's like.
Happy birthday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Forgot about that. Thank you.
Sometimes I feel like how much of this is like.
감사합니다.
Okay, let's go.
This might be my first time having just fresh truffle.
That's what I'm trying to think. I'm like, have I had it before?
Like straight up grade,
Yeah.
straight on.
I'm sure in like pasta and stuff.
I tell you. Is that
There's a chocolate tail with salty sauce. Japanese style salty sauce. And you have you don't have to try with salt.
Okay, yeah.
Everyone else doing? Or am I drunk?
I'm great.
I'm fine.
I got a breeze on me right now.
Something below? No salt, no nothing.
This looks like more like a
Didn't say
Korean,
anything, right? Oh yeah, he said no salt.
because it's got the shoyu on
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
or the salty sauce.
Whoa. That black sheep. No?
This is deep fried mushroom.
Thank you.
Mushroom name
That's a
is
mushroom?
lion mane
Yeah,
mushroom.
looks like
Oh, it's a lion mane.
Because it looks like a lion mane.
Right, lion
He's
mane.
so
Yeah.
excited.
That was
So lion mane.
that was my sophomore year.
Okay, so best eater,
Loses
worst.
pants.
My button did pop off though. I mean, that's pretty impressive.
Hey, I asked the most questions. Is that a thing?
That's true. You're the most informed eater because you ask the most questions of anyone, right?
You want to do the right
So
thing
what's
right
Johnny's
now.
superlative?
The most filmed.
Like a
Not
sugar
even a
baby?
year. I feel like 6 months from now, he'll be like, guys, got like 3 million subs, so let's go
Here's the
eat.
thing. Look, I've had a few subs in my life, but like,
No.
here's the thing.
Are you burping and like?